Right, the plan is for today to put this magnetic curtain up onto the door frame. So magnetic curtain onto the door frame. Oh, it's already attracted a hairpin. So that's the plans for today. Magnetic door frame. So there's the box. It's magnetic insect door screen. So it's a screen, it's not really a door frame. Obviously I've got to stick it up onto the door frame. Keep fresh air in and bugs out. Okay, so this one is 90 by 210 centimeters approximately. Easy installation, no tools required. Fits single doors and sliding doors. 9 magnets, fast automatic closing system. Perfect for pets. So if it's perfect for pets, can pets put these up? Can pets put these up? No, it's left to us adults, us humans. Okay, so this is what came in the box. That, some push pins, white push pins, and some Velcro strips, which I'll be adding to the top, and I'll be sticking down onto the door frame. So that's my task for today. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Guys, be happy. So, instead I didn't need any tools, instead of using those strips, I managed to get I think it's better if we use this, an actual longer strip. Those are the smaller ones that were there before. I think it's best that we use these ones. Longer. And they're sticky back. So, I think they are. I hope so. Is it sticky back? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, sticky back. So there's a sticky back. And there's a door frame there. It seems to me there's an insect caught in one there. Like a Venus flytrap. Okay, so this is where it's going to go around the edge of the door. What's inside there? What's inside that hole? Come on, wherever you are. Ollie Oxenfree. Ollie Oxenfree. Come out, whoever you are. The task of picking these off. I think these are up there a few years back now. That's one. Two, wait. Velcro. Oh, what's that? Crumbling. The paint seems to be crumbling off the frame. How am I going to get insect one? Ooh, yuck. Looks like a beetle. Okay, so once I've taken all these off, Mr. DIY here. Jeez, it's not there. That's really stuck. Look at that. Sticking to my fingers. There's another one. Another insect there stuck to it. Get your fingers behind it and peel away. Right guys, I'll finish these ones off. Right, so you've got to get this right, the measurements. So this is going to go in here. I'm going to take this off. Right, I'm going to take it off. So start with it. Let's start with it. there, up there, there. So I've got to get that, try and get that straight whilst peeling this back. Okay, so that's going to go straight across there, all the way across there, like that. Okay, whilst peeling this off. Gotta make sure it's straight as well. Alright guys, I'll get back to you. I've only got one hand. Try and get that straight. It's the door. That should be straight. Sticky. Could already press that down. Get it inside the grooves here. And I'll get back to you guys when I've done the side.
This bit here doesn't go straight, so I have to bend the curtain a little bit there to get stuck down.
So this is the magic mesh, which I showed you earlier, and I'm going to apply the Velcro to each, 12 pieces of Velcro to the various ends, so 3 down this end, and then, so 6 here, 3 down the side, and 3 down that side, which makes 12, so 12 places for the Velcro to stick. Let's get sticking. As I showed you before, these are what come, these are sticky Velcro that comes with it. Really these are supposed to go on the outside of the door, but we managed to find a Velcro strip lying about, so I've got to figure out a way of taking this off one-handed. Well, I've got this in my hand. Wait, I think I've got it. Alright, got it. Wait, I think one-handed. Yes. So what you do is stick this down. One here. Right, yeah. One here. You must have got more in the corner. So slip it down straight. So there. And then I'll get another one. I'll be sticking 3 along here, 3 down there, 3, 3, make 12. Okay guys, get back to you in a minute. So far I managed to get, instead of doing 3 like I said I was going to do, I've done 4. Because we've got enough Velcro to get around, go around. So we've got 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, so 4 on the top instead of 3. And then another 4 there to make 8. Let's see how many I do down the side. It's supposed to be 3, but I think I might be able to do about 4 down the side. Enough Velcro to go around. Okay, make sure these align properly. So we've got the Velcro here. Velcro there. We've got it on the right side, yes. It's starting to rain guys, so I want to get it quick. Okay, so this should end up in the middle. So you should keep it in. See there's a line there, I've got a marker there, you can see the mark there, the line. Velcro up. Stretch it across. We'll start like that for now. Let's go across a bit more. Okay. Right guys, so that's the line here. Keep going up. Okay, so down the side there. And make sure you keep it straight. There you go. How's it looking, guys? Oh.
It's looking.
Why is it not sticking?
2 hours later.
Problem with that one, so you might have to, normally what they use is tacks there, but that's not sticking there because of the weight there. So there you have the Velcro's there.
5 hours later.
There, the corner. There down the side. hand side here. Side. I've got to put 2 more pieces of Velcro that side and that side. It looks a bit long there. Okay. We should be able to walk in and out, so that's how you put this piece